Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyforum.com, and we are going to show you how to get power of attorney in California. Now, this is an instructional guide on how to get power of attorney for someone else in the state of California for all financial and medical reasons, which means that this is for power of attorney to act in the place of someone else for financial or medical reasons only. The first thing that you want to do is decide the type of power of attorney that you want. There are four major forms of power of attorney. The first and the most common is durable, which is the first three are actually all financial. There's only one medical type. But the first and most common is the durable, which is allows you to choose someone to act for you for all decision-making power that's legal under the state of California. And what makes durable so special is that even if the person becomes incapacitated, which is described as someone who cannot think for themselves with a clear mind, the form stays valid. So if you have, say, an elderly parent or someone who's just elderly in general that you're doing a power of attorney for, you want to make sure that you get the durable. Now, the general is exactly like the durable, except that it does not have that incapacitation addendum, where once the person becomes incapacitated, the general becomes void. The limited is kind of cool. It allows you to choose someone to act in your place for specific or single duty. So whether it's having someone just pick up your mail for a period of time, or to have an attorney close on a real estate transaction for you. The limited is used, and once the duty has been done, the form becomes void. So once they stop picking up your mail for that period of time, or the real estate closing happens right after the form's void. And the medical is kind of like the durable, but for medical reasons. It allows someone to act in the place of another for all medical decision making. And if the person becomes incapacitated, the form stays alive as well. So what we actually see on our website a lot is people buying the durable and medical, and then they're covered on each end. Choose your representative. You want to choose someone that you know, friend or family, that you can not only trust but have the back for you in any situation that meets your needs. And obviously having someone who is very trustful should be very high on your list. But you also want to have someone who can readily act for you. So if you have someone that is trustworthy that lives 5 minutes away, and you have someone else who is very trustworthy that lives an hour away, you might want to choose the person that's 5 minutes away just because of their ability to act for you in pretty much any situation. The next step is to fill in your form. Now that you have selected the form that you want and your attorney in fact, which is another word for the person that's going to be acting for you, you're able to fill in your form and decide what exact power of attorney responsibilities you want representing you. Now below down here you'll see that in the state of California you need to have this California power of attorney addendum. Which we make available on our website, powerofattorneyforum.com, and is available on this WikiHow article. The fourth step is go to a notary. Every power of attorney form in California needs to be authorized by a public notary. You can find one at any branch bank in the United States. If you don't have an account, they'll usually charge you a small fee. And I'd say about 99% of the banks, where if you have an account with them, they usually do the notary stuff for free. The fifth step is not required by the state, but you want to make sure that you notify your banking institution, and pretty much everyone that should know about your power of attorney form. You should let them know. But this is how you do a power of attorney form in the state of California.